we got our 2022 Suzuki King Quads and decided we need rear cargo boxes for them to put all our stuff in. What stuff, you ask? Boots, rain jackets, tools, maybe a tent if I could convince Bob to go camping. Let's see what's in the box. Let's have a look inside. I tried to do a little research. Couldn't find a whole lot of information about these boxes, including how to install them, what was included with them. So we decided to do a quick video to show y'all what they look like and what's included. If you look inside, you can see that the holes are pre-drilled, which was actually one of our concerns. You can see the holes here, and they're the same on the other side. We weren't sure how easy it would be to know where to drill those holes before we ordered these. Now we know they're pre-drilled, so let's see. What else came in the box? Looks like all the parts we're gonna need, as well as the instructions. As you can see, everything you need is included with the box to install it on the back of your quad. Well, it turns out that the boxes are a little bit bigger than we thought. As you can see, if we go camping, I can probably almost make a little bathtub or jacuzzi out of this, I don't know. But I think we'll be able to fit all our gear in it, so that's a plus. Keep watching and we'll show you how to put this sucker on. I am using a 10mm socket to take these bolts out of this plastic cover. As you can see, there are 8 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I went ahead and removed all the bolts. Make sure you put them somewhere where you're not going to lose them. I like to use a magnetic tray when I'm working with stuff like that. There are holes already pre-drilled inside the box. We line them up with the bars underneath. And we're going to go ahead and put the brackets, the bolts, the washers, and the nuts to hold them. The 2 rear bolts started. Now I'm doing the side bracket. A little bit harder to reach. I have the bolt underneath. I'm holding the bracket with my other hand and I'm just screwing these on. And I thought these were plastic covers. They're not. They're actually metal, but they're super smooth. So you can see how smooth that'll be when it's rubbing up against whatever you throw in your box. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other bolt now. And I'm just hand tightening them so we can go ahead and straighten the box out to however it's perfectly even. There are 2 brackets for the back of the box and 2 brackets for the side of the box. So just make sure you look at the directions and put the correct bracket in each spot. I've been reduced to a socket. Bob said the drill was too powerful and I might strip the bolts out. We went ahead and used the brackets to fix the box on the cargo racks. That's what the brackets look like. And if you look inside the box, you'll see the bolts that I'm just gonna go ahead with, again, the 10mm socket. And I'm gonna tighten the bolts inside the box. As you can see underneath, they go up through it. And it has the nice rounded nuts holding the tops of them. Once you do the fronts, whichever way you do it, we had to really press down to get it to grab. The screws aren't very long. It is what it is. We managed to get it there, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down now. As you can see, I've successfully installed the cargo box on this machine. I'm ready to ride. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.